The Leica Q series has always fascinated photographers, consistently sparking debate over whether to buy the current model or wait for the next masterpiece. That excitement is now reaching new heights as attention shifts from the beloved Leica Q3 to the highly anticipated Q4. Known for its 4-year release cycle, Leica has built a tradition of patience and perfection, but with technology advancing faster than ever and competitors stepping up their game, rumors are swirling that the Q4 might arrive earlier than expected. If that happens, it could be one of the most thrilling and important camera launches in Leica's history. When Leica first introduced the original Q back in 2015, it revolutionized the idea of what a compact full-frame camera could be. It was the perfect blend of luxury design and modern performance. A minimalist body paired with a fixed 28mm lens and a full-frame sensor that produced breathtaking results. Leica took a bold approach, favoring simplicity and precision over the flexibility of interchangeable lenses, and it paid off. The camera quickly became a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike, who wanted that legendary Leica look in a more portable, travel-friendly body without sacrificing image quality. Building on that success, the Q2 launched in 2019 and pushed the limits further. It brought a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and refined ergonomics, offering photographers greater comfort and durability while maintaining the Q's signature feel. Leica didn't reinvent the formula, it simply elevated it. Then in 2023, the Q3 arrived and raised the bar once again. With its 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video capabilities, it blurred the line between still photography and video production, winning over both traditional photographers and hybrid creators. Now all eyes are on the Q4. Expectations are sky-high, and for good reason. While Leica is famous for perfecting its cameras through subtle refinements, the pace of change in today's camera market suggests the Q4 might take a more daring leap forward. Reports hint that Leica could introduce a stacked CMOS sensor, a major advancement that would improve readout speeds, enhance dynamic range, and minimize rolling shutter issues. This technology could put the Q4 on par with flagship mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, without losing the essence of Leica's craftsmanship. A stack sensor would also unlock new possibilities in video and autofocus performance. Faster processing would mean smoother recording, better heat management, and faster, more reliable focusing. The Q3's phase detection autofocus was already a huge step forward, but the Q4 is rumored to take it further with AI-powered subject detection, refined eye and animal tracking, and advanced predictive focusing that adapts in real time. These upgrades could make the Q4 a top performer in genres that demand speed and precision, from street and travel photography to sports and documentary work. Video capabilities are another area where Leica could make waves. The Q3's 8K video was impressive, but extended recording sessions were limited by overheating. With improved thermal design, the Q4 could allow longer recordings and more consistent performance. High frame rate 4K modes for slow motion are also expected, turning the camera into a truly versatile hybrid tool. Imagine Leica's timeless design housing powerful cinematic features. That's a combination filmmakers and photographers alike will find irresistible. Low-light shooting is another aspect where the Q4 could excel. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already performs beautifully in dim environments, but paired with an upgraded sensor and image processor, users could see cleaner high ISO results, more accurate colors, and better shadow recovery. This would make the Q4 a dream for photographers who often shoot at night or in natural, low-light settings. When it comes to design, Leica will likely continue its tradition of refinement rather than reinvention. Subtle ergonomic tweaks like a deeper grip, lighter materials, and improved button placement could make the Q4 more comfortable for extended use. Leica's design philosophy has always been about precision and feel, and these small adjustments often make a big difference in real-world shooting. The electronic viewfinder might also get a serious upgrade. While the Q3 featured a sharp 5.76 million EVF, the Q4 could take it up to a 9.44 million resolution with a faster refresh rate for an even smoother, lifelike viewing experience. The rear display could also evolve from a tilting design to a fully articulating screen, a big plus for vloggers and solo creators. Enhanced touchscreen responsiveness and more intuitive menu navigation are also expected, making the camera even more user-friendly. Connectivity is another area Leica may focus on. Improved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speeds, along with better integration with Leica's apps, would allow for quicker file transfers and remote operation. Enhanced tethering options could also make the Q4 a stronger choice for studio photographers who rely on immediate image previews and seamless workflow management. As for release timing and pricing, Leica's history suggests the Q4 might arrive in 2027, following the brand's 4-year rhythm. However, some insiders believe Leica could fast-track the launch to late 2026 to stay ahead in the market. When it comes to price, the Q4 is expected to reflect its premium DNA. The Q3 launched at around $5,995, and with the rumored upgrades, the Q4 could easily surpass $6,500, possibly even touching $7,000. But Leica buyers aren't just paying for specs. They're investing in artistry, precision, and a shooting experience unlike any other. If these rumors are true, the Leica Q4 could redefine the standard for compact full-frame cameras. With its blend of next-generation technology, elegant design, and classic Leica craftsmanship, it has the potential to become one of the most desirable cameras ever made. It would appeal to professionals seeking uncompromising quality and to creators who want versatility in a minimalist body. Anticipation for the Q4 is already building fast across the photography community. Leica's legacy of blending precision engineering with timeless artistry makes every release a global event, and the Q4 looks poised to continue that tradition. Whether it launches sooner than expected or right on schedule, one thing is clear: the Leica Q4 isn't just another update. It could be the defining moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, proving once again that Leica remains the gold standard of craftsmanship and innovation.